Of course, we have already discussed in that platform.
The World Health Organization has pleaded with the G7 countries to dig deep and fund the global COVID-19 recovery, warning that the crisis cannot be resolved worldwide if they do not step up. The WHO chief, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, urged the G7 to take decisive action at its three-day summit being hosted by British Prime Minister Boris Johnson in Cornwall, southwest England.
The G7 countries are the world's economic and political leaders. They're also home to many of the world's vaccine producers. We will only solve the vaccine crisis with the leadership of these countries.
The WHO said the group of 7 industrial powers had the ability to fund the vaccines, tests and treatments needed to defeat the pandemic and knock down the barriers blocking faster production. Dr. Tedros said more COVID-19 cases were reported in the past 2 weeks than during the first 6 months of the pandemic, most of them from India and Brazil. So far, almost 1.2 billion COVID-19 vaccines have been injected worldwide, but only 0.2% of them have been administered in the 29 lowest income countries, home to 9% of the global population. The Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator Program to finding, developing and distributing coronavirus vaccines, tests and therapeutic is 19 billion short of its 22 billion target this year, and a further of 35 billion to 45 billion will be needed next year to ensure most adults around the world are immunized. Kamil Sadiq, CBA TV.